Structural hip roof part 2. In this video, I will show you a structural plan view for the ceiling and the roof, and also the connection for a hip roof design here in AutoCAD. So the connection details are right here. You go here, you'll see the connection details. These are the connection details. As if you watched the other part of this video, these details are here in blocks. So I will leave a link in my description where you can download these DWG containing the details for structural hip roof. So if you zoom, extend, zoom, you can see here are my details. Oh, sorry. I need to see structural hip roof. So this is in S2. Now here is the ceiling detail. You can see 2x6 ceiling joist at 16 inches. There's this post 4x6 block above HDR, and there is this ceiling flash beam 5¼ by 11 and 7 wide per Paralam PSL 20E. There's this flash beam here, the same size. Now, if you go to the roof details, you can see sheet 3 SD2. So if you go to here in S2, if you go to SD2, if we search 3 is here. This is the connection details. Connection 3 S detail 3, that is connection detail. And just insert it from here. Okay, here the detail. You can see Simpson A34 connecting hip valley to top plate. Also the same at the top plate to post, that is king post below. There is Simpson SDWH27 150 100G screws. This is detail in we go to S2, that is this detail here, and also here. Now if you find this detail, sheet 2 SD2, right? So if you go to SD2, sheet 2 is this one. Now I will delete that one, and then leave it like that. Hit enter to all. Here is the detail, as you can see here. That is detail. The detail here and also here for the rafter going this way. You can see we have this hip. This hip is 3, that size 3 and a half inch by 9¼ Vasalam LVL 2.1E, that 100. And we also have this ridge that is 4 by 10 DF #2 ABV sailing flash beam. That is a sailing flash beam. We have this detail here. We look at SD2, that is sheet number 7. If you go to SD2, sheet number 7 must be this one. Here is the detail. Tid Rafter Detail, minimum end, edge and center 2. So this is just what they are going to follow on site during the construction of this hip roof. There's this detail here, 4 by 4. You can see 4 SD2 and 7 SD2 and 8 SD2. So let's see. That is connection detail at cantilever beam. You can see the cantilever beam, the detail, 16D sinker nail, staggered 2¼ inch apart. SD, another one is SD sheet number 7 and 4. So 7 and 4. This is for ridge hip beam connection. As you can see, hip plan, ridge beam per plan, the king post, etc. There is number 4 and number 7. Is there any 7 here? Number 7, also number 8. I think number 8. So this is how the plan works. A1 SD2, that is 1A SD2. If you go to this one, here is the detail for top plate splice. You can see the top plate splice. And also these details are in form of blocks, so I can just insert from here. I can just insert all of these just from here. This is the detail for splice. That is detail A1 SD2. This one here. 1A SD2, 1A SD2, 1A SD2. So actually I can just, this is not a hip roof, this is is it called hip or is it? Let me show you. So let me go to roof plan. Change to hip, then gable. This is gable. Okay. Then this is gable roof. So I can add the same detail. So thank you for joining my YouTube as a member. You can see there are rafters, 2x6 rafter at 16 inches, 2x6 rafters at 16 inch in both way. I mean, this one going this way and this one going this way. Now, I think those are the ones I've just used here, the rafters. I mean, 2x6 rafters this way and that way. So I can just copy, bring this detail, let me check what is SD2. S2. Yeah, that is okay. Okay, now we go to S2, stretch this one all the way. Move this one all the way up to that point. Okay. Move this one to the midpoint. So make sure midpoint is checked. Then I can mirror. No, don't delete. And move this one. Now this one is the ridge roof. Same thing applies to this copy. Move. Move. Then you can mirror. Escape. Yes, I need to mirror. I need that midpoint. No. Copy. I'll copy about that point. So this is the hip and the ridge roof details. I'll move this one. 1 point edge. Then I can mirror. No. So this is the hip and this is the ridge roof details. And these are the connection details. So you can download all this in the link in my description. The last, this other detail here, this one here. This detail you can see the connection A35 at each rafter, ridge beam, then rafter per plan, roof sheathing, then ST22 at 48-inch OC. Same thing here. All those are the details. So this is the plan and the connection detail of hip, and also I've shown you the ridge roof, right? That is not ridge, gable. It's called gable roof, right? So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining and being member of my YouTube. I'll see you in my next video.